Okay, so this is your fourth lesson. Your fourth lesson is going to be dedicated to working on your narrative portfolio. We are going to do this every week until we finish the unit. We are going to be dedicating one lesson a week to working on our narrative writing portfolios. This does not mean that you should not be working on it at any other time. You should be working on your narrative writing portfolio as often as you possibly can. So if you ever finish up a lesson early, start working on your narrative writing portfolio. So open up your Google Drive. I've actually linked the folder here for you, and open up your personal folder. Each one of your documents needs to be named properly. You should have one about the potato, your favorite restaurant, and also the short story that you made up about the poem Nettles. If you have done one of these tasks incorrectly, you should be correcting it during this lesson or the next time that you have time during an English lesson. Your essential question and your learning objectives are here. You do not need to make note of these. All you need to do is just to remember that you are trying to think about how you can apply what you've learned during the week to your writing. Our focus this week is conflict. So you need to revise your narratives about the potato and nettles and focus on the conflict in both of these documents. See what you can do to improve the element of conflict in your narrative writing, or else if you did not include any conflict, start to try and think about how you can include it. Also, you might think about what type of conflict is in your narrative writing. Is it character versus character, character versus nature, character versus self? All of those options are there, so you need to have a look at them. Remember, you're engaging in the writing process. So you are going back and you are editing, redrafting, revising what you wrote, and making sure that it's the best work that you can possibly do. Remember, you will be assessed on this, and if you're not sure how, have a look at the rubric and the video that I uploaded in the topic titled Narrative Writing Portfolio. In case you still haven't created a folder, and I really hope you have at this stage, this is how you do it, and remember to share it with me. You should probably follow the link that I have linked in this topic and then just create your folder there. For most of you, we have done this already. We did this in class. We used to do it every single Thursday until we broke up for spring break. So you work on that for the entire lesson, and once you are finished, then you can think about revising as you have a quiz tomorrow.